I'm now going to show you how to orient a map. But first I should tell you why we do this. When a map is oriented, it can show us the direction that we should go from one control to the next. If it's not oriented, it will not be able to do that. So let's begin by looking at the course that we've been looking at up to now. The beginner course from Laurel Hill. To orient a map, you need to first put it on something flat. Here it's on the ground. You could put it in your hand once you get used to doing this, but the ground is usually flat enough to work with. After all, remember that a compass has to be in a relatively flat place to work well, and we need the compass here. Put the compass on the map so that it is on top of one of the north lines on the map. Doesn't matter which one. You'll see now that the compass needle is pointing this direction for magnetic north, but the map is showing this direction. We need to get the two of them to agree. And the way we do this is by turning the map. Until the two of them point in the same direction. When that's done, the map is oriented to magnetic north. And if we want to go from the start to control number 1, what we want to do is essentially stand behind the triangle, so to speak, and face in this direction, so that we are facing control number 1. We'll talk about what we do next after facing that way in the next little video. But first, I want to show you how to orient a map a second time, but we will do it a little different. We will deliberately make a mistake. So, here we have a different course. Same starting location, here, the triangle, but its first control is over here. Now, we put the compass on the map, as we did before, okay? And we want to make it line up with the north line. I'm going to do this wrong, just to show you one of the most common mistakes in orienting a map. We can see that the needle of the compass and the north line are parallel, which is what they should be. However, the needle is pointing this way, and the north line on the map is pointing this way. This is completely wrong. What we have to do is make the red end of the needle and the north on the map point in the same direction. Like that. It is now correctly oriented. We will go on to what we do next in the next video.